In this video, we will show you how to replace your wiper arm cap and mounting nut on this Lincoln Navigator. The process for one will be the same for either wiper arm. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To remove the cap from your wiper arm, we're going to use a small pocket screwdriver. Carefully get in between the wiper arm and the cap. Once you're in between there, you can pry and separate the two. There's our cap. Set that aside. Under that cover, you'll find that you have a 15mm nut. Remove the nut. Let's install our mounting nut. Snug it up. Time to install the mounting cap. Okay friends, we've got the truck back together. At this point, go ahead and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.